We're at gotomath.com working some calculus. And we're down here in the section evaluating limits analytically, and that's the button you need to click on. And I believe that's it right there. So it says evaluate the limit. We got the limit as x approaches 2/5 of 25x squared minus 4 over 5x minus 2. So let's move over to the whiteboard. And let's see here. Trying to get a color. I don't know what's going on here. So we have the limit as x approaches 2/5 and 25x squared minus 4, and that's all over 5x minus 2. So the first thing we're going to do is what's called direct substitution, where we just plug 25 directly in and see what happens. 2/5 directly in and see what happens. Alright, so we got 5 times 2/5 minus 2. So we got 4 over 25 times 25, so that's going to be 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0, so we'll have 0 in the numerator, and then this is going to end up being 2 minus 2, so we got 0 in the denominator. Well, if that happens, we need to go back and reevaluate. If we get 0 in the numerator and 0 in the denominator, we need to try to see if we can factor and cancel some like terms out if it's possible. So I'm going to rewrite this limit as x approaches 2/5. Let's do a little side work down here. This numerator can be written as 5x quantity squared minus 2 squared. So this is the difference of two squares, which means that we can factor that and get 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2, and that's all over 5x minus 2. Now, as you can see here, we can got something in the numerator that's just like something in the denominator, so we can cancel those guys out, and then we can go ahead. I'm writing an equal sign here because this is still equal, right, to this guy here. And we have 5x plus 2. Alright, now we can go through and do direct substitution again. Whoa, that's 2/5. And we're left with 4. Alright, need to darken up my marker there. So it turns out that our original limit, can I squeeze this in here, is actually equal to 4. Now let's go over here, hold our breath, and hope that that comes out to be 4 there. And of course, if we hit the help, as you can see, that's much like what we just got through doing. Now we'll add something here that sometimes you'll see a fraction here that needs to be reduced before, you should probably actually do all that. If this was 3 over 6, reduce it down to half. But anyway, all right. So remember where we are. We're at gotomath.com, and I'll see you there.